Which gas makes up the largest percentage of the Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is option B, nitrogen. Indira Sagar Dam located in Madhya Pradesh is built on which river? The correct answer is option C, Narmada. The largest source of foreign direct investment, FDI, in India is? The correct answer is option D, United States. Where was India's first nuclear power plant set up? The correct answer is option A, Tarapur. Into how many zones has the Indian Railways been divided? The correct answer is option D, 18 zones. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? The correct answer is option A, 1911. Agenda 21 of the Rio Summit, 1992 is related to? The correct answer is option D, sustainable development. Who presided over the first session of the Indian National Congress? The correct answer is option A, W.C. Banerjee. Bathukama and Bonalu festival of which state? The correct answer is option D, Telangana. Who was the first recipient of the Jnanpith Award? The correct answer is option D, G. Shankar Kurup. Which of the following neighboring countries of India shares its borders with maximum number of Indian states? The correct answer is option C, Nepal. Nepal shares borders with 5 Indian states which Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. Which one of the following did not serve as Vice President before assuming the office of the President of India? The correct answer is option B, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Which Indian city is known as the City of Diamonds? The correct answer is option A, Surat. Which organization publishes the Global Competitiveness Report? The correct answer is option B, WEF, World Economic Forum. Where is the International Renewable Energy Agency located? The correct answer is option A, Abu Dhabi. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The correct answer is option A, Bengaluru. In which Indian state was the country's first carbon dioxide measurement exchange tower established? The correct answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Who was known as the Indian Napoleon? The correct answer is option A. Samudragupta. Under whose tenure was the Indian National Congress formed? The correct answer is option B. Lord Dufferin. When is the National Consumer Rights Day observed in India every year? The correct answer is option D. The 24th of December. 90 East Ridge is located in which ocean? The correct answer is option D. Indian Ocean. The river which marks the international boundary between India and Nepal is? The correct answer is option D. Mahakali. Which Indian city is known as the Queen of Mountains? The correct answer is option B. Mussoorie. Who is known as the father of Indian census? The correct answer is option B. Henry Walter. Rabindra Sarovar Lake is situated in which state? The correct answer is option D. West Bengal. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option C. 250 members. The no confidence motion can be moved only in? The right answer is option B. Lok Sabha. Which strait connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Atlantic Ocean? The correct answer is option B. Strait of Gibraltar. The Parliament of Russia is known as? The correct answer is option C. Duma. Aditi Gopi Chand Swami is associated with which sports? The correct answer is option A. Archery. In which of the following states is the Amarnath Shrine located? If you know the right answer, please do share your answer in the comment box below. And subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching.